and welcome to the Mills Homestead. I hope you enjoy the video.
Hey everyone, we're going to clean up some chicken poop. Clear all over here, Mom? And actually, will you clear me out of space so I can walk freely? Alright, y'all get out of here because it's going to get nasty.
Okay. So I want to get a good view of it. Nasty. I think everybody should get to see what you have to do to eat the chickens. Yeah. This rooster's good sitting place. Yeah. I'm gonna go outside for a second. I guess with you. Excuse me, Dad. Yeah. It's nasty. Is that nasty, Elliot? Is it very nasty or just a little nasty?
Very nasty.
Okay. I'll make sure I don't let that touch me.
We need to cut this out.
Yeah, we do.
Hold that.
You want me to pull it back a little?
That's good. You can flash it. Put it back like it was. Yeah.
That barrel fits. I feel like it's brass.
Save a little bit and I'll put it up top. Rip it open a little bit more. Look, and kick a bunch of it that way, and we'll knock it out that side. Alright, start kicking it towards the exit for them. That big, you see the big piles in the corners?
Yeah. Get me in my
Today, we're getting potatoes and we're going to eat them today. And we're going to pick some more potatoes and Daddy's coming out here today and then we're going back in the house to do some work and then we're filming a video.
Okay, so we did about 3/4 of one row, and this is what we got. So there are a couple of, what should I say, weird ones in there, but yeah, they all worked out pretty good. And I'm ready to get inside and wash my hands because they smell like rotten potatoes right now. They really smells. Well, see you in the next clip. Hey y'all, out here checking on the pepper plants, and Maybe the melons if I have time. Man, I was gonna weed a little bit out here today, but looks like it's gonna be impossible. Ooh, ows. Ooh, that plant right there spiked me. Yeah. Good peppers. Let's see if I can find any more. There's another one down here. I can't really see it that well. Oh! I'm gonna zoom in on that for you, right there. It's a good one. Pepper plant right there. I don't think there's any more. I'm gonna go check on the zucchini while I'm out here. This thing's almost dead. Well, produced good while it lasted. We'll go over to the melons for you. Oh, I forgot. There's one right here. But we got a watermelon out of our garden yesterday. Just the way I showed y'all in the last video. But, he's a big boy. Well, I'm going to turn y'all off and check on everything else. So, see you in the next clip. Okay, so just showing y'all what the chickens like to eat or spread out. They love grass. When they start to run back and forth like there and then there, that means they're trying to get the grass right here, but they can't get it. Hey, Mo. Mo. Okay, so today we're gonna be picking these Concord grapes right here. It's a big plant. So, just gonna come up to here and pick one of these. Sorry for that bad camera angle. Yeah. There you go. That is a Concord grape. I'll be picking those because as you can see, got a bunch ready. We're just going to be putting them in this little basket right here. Then we're going to take them inside and wash them. Gonna pick some Concord grapes. Oh, I keep cracking mine.
Yeah, just be careful and gentle with them because
Look.
some of them are pretty fat and juicy.
No matter how gentle I pull them, they always get cracked on the top.
Now, try to put your thumb and finger kind of around them and pull them off instead of squeezing them when you pull them.
Yeah, that works better. It's a good boy. Some of these are in there good. Just got my finger in the shot. Oh, that one fell.
That's alright. The birds can eat it.
More food for their little birdies. That one's not completely ripe.
It's okay. Some of them will be that way.
Okay, I think I'm gonna turn the camera off, guys, because it is hard to pick with one hand.